We'll guide you through how to make background blur in Lightroom Mobile. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom Mobile and import the photo you want to edit into your library. After the photo has been imported successfully, open it from your library to access the editing workspace. Once the photo is open, tap the masking tool and select radial gradient from the available masking options. Place the radial mask over the main subject and adjust its size and position until it covers the subject properly. After positioning the mask, tap Invert so the adjustments will affect the background instead of the subject. Next, reduce the texture to soften the background and remove fine details. Continue by reducing the clarity to create a smoother and more natural blur effect. Then, reduce the sharpness to make the background appear less defined while keeping the subject in focus. After that, reduce the dehaze slightly to soften the background even further and create a more pleasing depth effect. Adjust the feather slider to produce a smooth transition between the sharp subject and the blurred background, avoiding any harsh edges around the mask. Review the image carefully and refine the mask if needed to ensure the background is selected accurately without affecting the subject. Zoom in to inspect the edges of the subject and make sure the blur blends naturally with the surrounding area. Compare the edited photo with the original image and make additional refinements to the texture, clarity, sharpness, dehaze, or feather settings until you achieve the desired background blur effect. Once you are satisfied with the final result, tap the share icon and choose your preferred export settings. Select the location where you want to save the edited photo and wait for the export process to finish.